Good evening or good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you're watching me from. The channel goes by the name of Hajways, and today I'm in I'm still in Madrid. Unfortunately yesterday it didn't go well because I was not feeling well, so I couldn't do the videos that I wanted to shoot. But I've just tried to find some energies to do a quick video. I just came to meet someone, and then I said, you know what, I'm just going to do something very quick so I can show you this area. I know this area quite well, and when I was living in Madrid, it was not it didn't look like this. It was actually, this was just bushes, and I've come back today to a very big surprise because I've just found out that they've installed all these businesses here. We've got these eateries, and then we've got big supermarkets. So we've got the Lidl supermarket here, and many more. The bus lines, I think we've added a few more. We used to only have one bus coming here, but I've seen at least 3 different lines, which is good. That shows you that the place is now connected. But this used to be a bush just towards the end of the 90s, when I was going to the uni here in Madrid. So yeah, just walk around with me as I adventure here, so that you can have a feeling of what this place looks like. By the way, this place is called Sierra de Guadalupe here in Madrid. So those are the buses that we have here in this city. It's a very good network actually of buses, and they can I mean, some of these lines run 24 hours, especially like now during the weekend, because there's a lot of activity, people going in and out of town until late hours. And you have the metro, the subway, which we have seen in some of my videos as well. So when I lived here, well, not when I lived here, but back in the days, we had, I had a friend who used to live over there. Okay, so that's like the next neighborhood, which is called Vicalvaro. And I remember there's only one bus that was connecting this area and that other area, but it used to come from that other direction. So I used to live all the way down this road, probably about 4 miles away from here, or yeah, about 4 miles away from here. So it was quite difficult for me to go to visit him, because I had to walk all the way up here to get either the train station, because there's a train station up here, or the buses. So I would have to go all the way to town to be able to come or to visit him in his house. It was quite an adventure. But anyways, now this area, the whole of this, there was only that building there back in the day, but now we've got all these buildings, new buildings here. And I said this mini shopping center. It's become so cute, from bush into this in just, well, it's over a few years though, but I would say that these have been built, not, you know, they've not been here for many years. So Lidl is everywhere, not just in the UK. It's here, it's all over Europe. I don't know whether they have it like in places like the US. If you're watching me from the US, please let me know if you have the Lidl supermarkets there. They're very economical as compared to there. There's another one called Aldi as well that we have in the UK. I've not seen it here in Spain, but yeah. So I was saying that, you know, the buildings that we have at the end, they're just over there after the bushes. Those buildings are not there a few years ago. So yeah, this neighborhood has grown a lot, and that's like a Chinese supermarket. They've installed one here as well. It's got everything, and I'm told it's very economical. Of course, I've not I've just been here. I just popped in today because my niece is celebrating her birthday, and they are in there, so with other kids. So I just decided to do a quick video because they are having a meal, and decided to do a quick one before the day comes to an end and my days here in Madrid come to an end on this occasion. So I think here they sell a bit of everything, clothes and probably houseware and the likes. And they have their own filling station. Quite interesting. Yeah, so actually I've seen 1, 2, 3, I would say about 4 bus lines here. And that's what we call development. The town is changing. So I'm going to try and cross to the other and walk all the way down so we can have a look at the new buildings that have come up in this area. And then I said it was going to be a short video, so probably after that I'll just call it a day. Let's see unless there's something more interesting for me to do up there, or to be able to see. So if we go all the way down, if I'm not mistaken, we're going to a place called Moratalas. Telefónica, I don't know if this building actually belongs to them, but Telefónica is the biggest communication company here in Spain, and I would probably say it's one of the biggest here in Europe as well. It's all over. It's got I think 2 branches. There's Telefónica, and then it's got a subsidiary. Yeah, it's got a subsidiary called Movistar. And Movistar, I think, are the owners of O2 in the UK. I think they do own also some other ones across Europe. So it's quite a big company. And then, if you want to buy a car, right there, that building in front of me. It's cute. Yeah, so this is the new area that I wanted to show you also, or to cover in this video, where they've built all these houses here. It's a massive complex. As I said, so this street, the main street is called Avenida de Albufera, and just some few years ago this was not existing. It was just a bush. But some big investment must have taken place here for them to come up with such a massive complex. It's beautiful. I'm going to try and see if I can go over there and see if there's anything interesting that I can find, or go back to that road over there. So you can see just here on the ground floor they've got they've got their businesses, they've got pharmacies, so you don't have to go far away if you're not feeling well to buy, you know, paracetamol or whatever it is. Yeah, and they open, I think, until like 8-9 p.m. You want a drink or a quick bite or the Spanish tapas right outside your doorstep. You don't have to go anywhere specific. They've got the restaurants or cafes and stuff just outside your residential area. And that's the typical setup for entertainment and eateries that they have here in Spain across the country. Well, I hope you're enjoying this walk with me here. It's a relaxed walk. It's a bit windy, so I hope that it's not going to interfere with the audio, because I don't want to bring that camera so close to me. But anyways, yeah, I hope you're enjoying this leisurely walk with me here in Madrid. I wanted to do a few more videos, but as I told you, I came here and then unexpected happened. I'm not feeling well, so I'm just trying my best. My voice is not that good today, but anyways, we'll try regardless to show you just a bit. Okay, so let me turn this around so you can see. So that's what I was telling you. If you want to buy a car, you don't have to go very far. If you live in this neighborhood, then you've got options here. And this also was not there when I used to live here, at least. So this all is quite recent. When I started passing by here, it was a bush, you know. But I've spent my years here in Spain, so yeah, or quite a number of years here in Spain. So, you know, just like any other place where people are serious with development, then you'll get changes or you'll see changes like these over the years. Yes, so just wanted to remind you that the channel goes by the name of Hajways. So if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel so that you can give me the needed support, and this channel can grow as much as it should actually. Yeah, look at that, beautiful. Can you see those buildings at the end after that little forest over there? Yeah, that place is called Moratalaz. It's a very beautiful neighborhood as well. So let's continue a bit more. So literally this is like a business park that they've opened here. You have everything. You have the filling stations, the car wash. You want to buy a car over there. You have supermarkets and eateries down the road. And of course it's very busy now because people have come from work. It's Friday evening and everybody is going home. I think it's about probably around 6:30, 6:40. So that's why there is a lot of traffic. However, this is usually a busy road as well. The weather has been very nice. It's been very warm during the day, and it's just today that it's become a bit windy. and stuff, but it's not cold, it's just it's warm. I'm wearing this because I've not been feeling well, and it's a bit windy, so I'm just trying to protect myself a bit. But yeah, the weather is nice compared to where I'm coming from. This is heaven. This is heaven. I wish I could have a little bit more of time to be able to enjoy this town and this weather, but it is what it is. We have to go back to work, and at least I know one day it's gonna happen that YouTube is going to be big enough for me to be able to cater for everything. But you know what, work is important. The experience that you get in you know, in the jobs that you do and all that is good. You also get to mingle with people, as in my case with people from all walks of life, and it is quite satisfying. So I'm going to show you the ring road, and then I think I will possibly end the video here. So that's the next neighborhood from Sierra de Guadalupe. That should be I think Miguel Hernandez, if I'm not mistaken. And down here, that highway that you see here is a massive highway. That is the M30, and that's the ring road. No, sorry, that is the M40. There's the M40 and then the M30. So this one here is the M40, and it's a circular road or highway that goes around, surrounds the entire or the entirety of the city. It's a very, very busy one, especially at this time. Yeah, you can see people are coming from work and going home. So yes, I'm going to call it a day today. I hope you have enjoyed this video or this leisurely walk here with me, and I just want to invite you again to join me in the next adventure, which most likely now will be back in Manchester. Alright, so if it's your first time here, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, which goes by the name of Haj Ways. Alright, thank you very much, and see you later. Bye bye. Adios, Madrid.